You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 16 over 27. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 16 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by negative 27. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is x equals negative 16 over 27.